Looking to make some extra cash as a teenager but don't have any experience? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're sharing 8 proven ways to make money online fast, and the best part, you don't need any prior experience. Let's dive in. Whether you're saving up for something special or just want to start earning money on the side, making money as a teenager has never been easier. From freelancing to selling your skills online, I'll walk you through simple steps to get started today. First up, paid online surveys. There are companies willing to pay you for your opinion. Websites like Swapbox and Survey Junkie let you earn gift cards or cash just by filling out surveys. While this won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some quick bucks in your spare time. Next, you can make money as a freelancer. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of opportunities for teens to offer services like graphic design, writing, video editing, or even social media management. You don't need to be a pro. Start with basic services and build your way up. Another creative way to earn is by selling digital products. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad allow you to sell downloadable items like planners, templates, or digital artwork. Once created, these products can bring in passive income for weeks or even months. Create it once and sell it over and over again. That's the beauty of passive income. Got a talent or hobby? Share it online. YouTube and TikTok are perfect platforms for teens to create content on their interests. From gaming to tutorials to vlogs, once you build an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, or even merch sales. You can also create a blog or website on a topic you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, tech, or travel. Use free platforms like WordPress to get started, and once your blog gains traffic, you can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. If you're organized and good with technology, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many small businesses and influencers need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. You can offer these services on sites like Upwork or Freelancer. If you're good in school subjects or have a special skill, why not share it? You can become an online tutor or teach skills like music, language, or even coding to others. Websites like Check Tutors or Wise and Connect teach with students who need help. Last but not least, sell things you no one need. Whether it's clothes, gadgets, or collectibles, apps like Depop, Poshmark, or eBay are perfect for decluttering and making cash at the same time. If you have a good eye for finding bargains, you can even flip items for profit. And there you have it, 8 easy ways to start making money online as a teenager. Whether you're looking for quick cash or want to start building a side hustle, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried any of these methods. Thanks for watching.